Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, on this video, let's talk about how to fix Instagram call not working. So, I have three steps for you for this one. First things first, go to the App Store. We need to check if our application itself is going to be updated. So, that's always step one. Just check if your application or your now working application is updated. So, in here, just type Instagram. You'll know it's updated if it says open here. However, if it says update same as mine, it needs to be updated to the latest version. So that's step one, just update it. And then if it's not working, move over for step two. Step two is going to be on settings. Just open it up and look for applications. Should be around here somewhere. Just give it a second. It should be on this one right there, apps. Open it up and look for the one, of course, that says Instagram. Now, once your Instagram, open it up, make sure your microphone and camera is on. That's step two. Now, for some reason, it's still not working. This is the last one. Go to your Instagram account. Of course, open it up like that. And then go to your profile. Go here, three lines on the top right section. And once you're here, I want you to look for a setting that says data usage. So it should be around here somewhere under the one that says media content. So your app and media right here, right? You see this part right here. This is the one you should be looking towards to. And for this one, go for media quality. Make sure in here, use less cellular data is turned off. Now, for some reason, it's still not working on your end. You're still not having your call not working. You need to call for IG Help Security or IG Help Customer Service. But I'm certain that after trying all of these steps, your problem will be fixed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.